To start, open the app Phonto, then click on the little camera icon and choose the option Plain Image. Then go ahead and choose between the black or white background. Now, to get the correct sizing, click on the numbers on the top that say 2048 by 2048, then click the Custom button and enter 1280 for the width and 720 for the height. To start using the white background, click on the upper right hand corner and then choose the option Use. Now, to add the two transparent images, click the Add Image button. Here, I'm just going to be adding the other image, then I'm going to try and figure out the sizing and placement. Now, to add some text, tap anywhere in the image and then add text. This will bring up a little box in which it will give you a couple of options, including the ability to change the font. Once the text is added, more options will appear. To change the color, stroke, or background, click on Style and then make the text to your preference. I am now just going to be repeating the process of adding text, changing the font, and the style. I do want to mention that in order to get different fonts and styles, the texts need to be written separately. Once everything is the way you want it, to save the image, click on the bottom right hand corner and click on Save Image.